Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will write a Python script for linear search. A linear search algorithm examines the elements of an array in a sequential manner. It performs a linear search of the array looking for the value. The algorithm sets the result, the index value of the element found, or -1 if not found. So we are going to match the key with each element of our array list. First, I'm going to define our linear search function. It's going to be, let's define linear search, and it will take array or list. My list, and also the key that we are going to search in this. Now we are going to find the element in our list to value of key. So first we are going to set found equals to false, and then we get the size of our list, calling length function and passing in our list. We can use this to loop through our list. And now for I in range start from 0 to size of our list, and if found equals to false if we already not found it yet, and our list, my list, pass in an index value, and the value of this element is not equal to the key we are looking for, or is equal to the key we are looking for. So we are going to set the found true, so we are able to find the value, and just going to return the index that will be I. If we cannot find the key we are looking for in our array or list, then we are just going to return -1. Now I'm going to create list1 that we are going to send to our function, and over here set some values like 10, 20, 25, 18, just some random values, 100, 5, 30. And now we are going to prompt the user to enter the key value. So we are going to save in our key, our key. We are going to use input function, input, enter the key value. We are going to convert our input to integer by using a int and pass in our key. Now I will send our list and a key to linear search function and get the result back. Result is set by calling linear search and passing our list one, and key entered by user, our key. Then we are going to check if result is greater or equal to 0. Then we are going to print the index result index print result else else we are going to print key not found. Print key not found. Just going to run the program, and here we need to enter the key. We'll select 100, enter 100, and over here it gave us a index 4 of our list, and it is able to find 100 in our list array. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.